I was wearing dentures, had been wearing dentures for 6 years. And every time we would go out to eat, didn't matter where we were, what you were eating, I was going to have to be excused and go to the restroom because I was going to have to take those dentures out and get whatever was underneath them out. When I got my dentures, I was not asked what color or what size, anything. I wasn't asked anything. So my teeth were very small. You couldn't see them really. Even my dentures, you could not see them when I talked. If you sneezed or anything like that, the dentures, even with the adhesive, would try to come out. And that was very embarrassing. So I got used to just putting my hand in front of my face, which I no longer do that anymore. Because now these stay in, they don't come out. And that's the big thing with me. I wanted something that I could rely on that would not come out when I coughed or I sneezed or anything that happened. If you end up with a cold or something and you blow your nose or something, they're going to come out. They're going to move. And anytime you eat anything, your dentures move. It doesn't matter how much adhesive you put on them, it's going to move. And so that was my biggest thing. I wanted something that I did not have to use adhesive. You could see the teeth that they were pretty. He makes you look really good by the time you get done. And they would not move. That was my big thing. I wanted something that would not come out, would not move. When they look at them, they go, you're not the same person. You look totally different. And I do. And, my husband and I both we're just different, So, people look at us a whole lot different. It makes you a whole lot more confident in what you do. When Dr. Jirik comes in the room, he will answer any questions, and I had a lot of questions because so many dentists had told me that I couldn't do it. So I was very apprehensive. But when he came in and talked to me, he did the x-ray and looked at my x-ray and told me, he said, I see no problem with what we're going to do, with the implants. And I told him how apprehensive I was, and he said, Diane, you're fine. It will be great. I can do it for you. So I was very confident after talking with him, that he was going to be able to do the procedure. But before that, I was really scared because, I had been told twice before that this was not going to happen, And a lot of people are like us. They were afraid of the dentist. And by the time we got through talking to him, I said, this is the guy to go see. Go see Dr. Jirik because he will make you so comfortable, that it won't bother you, And you will no longer be scared to go to the dentist, as long as you got him.